Welcome to Botier Tutorials. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to publish and unpublish products from your online store via CMS. Please note that CMS is only available for Business Plan and Business Plus users. For best experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, log into CMS by using your Botier email account. Then, in your homepage, look for the Publish Status tab. Click on it. You will see list of Publish Status. You can filter and check on your product's Publish Status at here. In order to mass publish or unpublish a product, select multiple products. Once selected, click on Action. You may choose to publish, unpublish or even delete the selected products. There will be a pop-up to confirm your actions. If confirmed, select Yes. With that, your store is now set. Download Botier now on Google Play Store or App Store.